Hello guys. Today we will create Allure report for Playwright automation. Okay, this is my project. Already I have the project. So under my test, there are two test cases. For this, we will generate the Allure report in, in Playwright automation. Okay, go to terminal, new terminal. So delete all the PowerShells. Hmm, Okay, so I will take one Allure report example. So this is the one npm Allure Playwright. Okay. Try to install Allure installation. Install Allure Playwright. Okay, copy this command also. And this is for the TypeScript. Just copy this command and run it. It should execute all the tests. Just observe here. See, Allure results, it's generated, right? The folder, right? Allure results folder is generated. Okay. The test case got executed. It is in, so we are not giving any headed mode, right? So it has run in the browserless mode. Okay. Now you can see Allure results and it is coming in the format of JSON. Okay. Now copy this command, Allure generate, three, Allure generate, Allure results. Just do Allure results. Oh, and it will create the Allure report. Okay. Okay. This is not the correct one. Okay. Allure results. Okay. It is giving some error here. So now I'll change the command. Okay. npx Allure generate Allure results. Allure results. Okay. Let it generate Allure results. Okay. Report successfully generated Allure report. So here the report got successfully generated here. Okay. From here, from Allure results to Allure report it was generated. Now what I am doing now, I am opening the npx Allure open. See, can you see here the test cases? Two test cases got executed. Allure report 28.5. Okay. 28.5 2024 got generated. And there are two test cases executed. 100% two test cases. So environmental we have not given. So go to categories and you can check no items. Suits. There are in the list suits. So this is the pass percentage. You can the timeline packages. Simple. I have used only this link. I will put this link in the video description. So from here, I have installed npm allure playwright. This is the command I executed. After that, I have executed this command line and it got executed. So even I can try one more command. Okay. Okay. Now I will try to fail one test. Okay. I will try to fail one test with the bull with the bulls I will give here. Okay. I am trying to fail this test. So I will run in the headed mode. We will check it is running in the headed mode or not. So npx playwright test, npx playwright test. So test folder. So here the command we use right here. Here command. Mm, Go here. Okay, copy the same. Copy the same here.